What's up, YouTube? This is Big John hollering at you from Delta Cam in Tacoma, Washington. And today I'm going to be showing you guys some rocker arms for a 1923, it's out of a 1923 straight 8 Packard. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, straight 6. This is a inline 6 overhead cam Packard, and I think this one's in a boat. But anyway, let me take a peek. I'll show you what we're working with here. You can see the cam pad is just destroyed on these. Smoked. The valve tips aren't actually that bad. Sometimes, now the phone's not going to focus. Sometimes the valve tip is hammered and the cam pad is good, but this time is the other way around. This thing looks like it's starved for oil and the cam pads are just smoked. So what we're going to do is come in here with our Cobalt number 6 hard face welding rod, and we're going to re-weld this whole pad here, and then we're going to come back over and put it in the fixture and cut it back. This one is actually in pretty good shape. You see that little flat spot, little wear spot there? This one will not require welding. We'll just be able to grind it out. And then when they reset the valve lash, it'll pick it up. But here is another one. You can see these things are smoked. So I'm going to go ahead and get these ground up and cut out, and then I'll send you guys the photo of when it's done.